Hi everybody, I hope you're having a nice afternoon and enjoying the weather and that you haven't burnt yourselves too much. And somebody else who obviously hasn't had their fingers burnt enough is Levi Bellfield. Unfortunately, in the last 10 years or so, I've had probably more than my fair share in dealings of court services and the police for various reasons, etc., etc. I'm not going to go into details, but please explain to me how someone that has murdered various women, different women, is in jail but allowed to marry somebody because if he doesn't, it will violate his human rights. So what about these women's human rights? They're not here to argue for their human rights now. So as for the woman that's decided to marry him, I think someone needs to question their sanity. The only thing I'd say to you, darling, is that you're safe from him while he's locked up in jail. He's not going to murder you. But should he be released, which is also probably likely a possibility, because of the way that the courts work, and there is obviously clearly no deterrent for these monsters, you're safe for the moment until he's released, which is likely. So if you compare that to someone's human rights, which apparently I don't have any human rights where being in a park is concerned during lockdown, but apparently Levi Bellfield does have human rights, and that is to, I'll spell it out again, to be married to someone that visits him in jail after committing murder. Answers on a postcard, please.